If you like to come back, do it for yourself, don't do it for me, and I'll see you guys during the next workout. Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to another workout. Today we're continuing our beginner workout series. So same format as we had for the previous workouts, 3-minute warm-up, 8 exercises, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off, followed by 2 minutes of core, 1-minute exercises with 30-second breaks. That's not wasting time. We're starting in 10 seconds. We're starting with our warm-up. We're gonna do pretend jump rope. I'm gonna do pretend jump rope. If you guys have a jump rope, by all means, start jumping. So we're just jumping. We're just happen getting the heart rate moving a little bit. Welcome to Fit After 50. My name is Paul, and as always, I take you through these workouts every Monday and every Thursday for over 4 years running right now. Yes, consistency pays off. So we have 40 seconds left. We're just jumping, just get off the ground a little bit. If you don't get off the ground at all, that's quite all right. If you have a jump rope, obviously you have to get off the ground. Just getting the heart rate moving a little bit. Today we're working on the back, and the workout is going to require dumbbells and resistance bands. If you guys don't have resistance bands and you're just starting out, it's a great tool to have in your house. Most of my workouts are filmed right here from this basement, and we use resistance bands and dumbbells in a lot of the workouts. We have another 10 seconds left, then we'll take 30-second break, and then we'll repeat this 2 more times. 3, 2, 1, and relax. We're just getting the heart rate moving, getting the blood pumping, and getting ready to work out. Like I said, today's working on the back. We've done tricep exercises, we've done bicep exercises, we've done shoulders, we've done hip. What else did we do? We did legs, kind of everything, so you guys can mix and mash these workouts together and come up with your own plan for the week. Let's get started with another set of jump ropes in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Nice easy jumps. Yes, get those arms moving a little bit, get them moving with bigger circles, smaller circles. Get the blood pumping. Little jumps, little tiny jumps. Stay with me. 45 seconds in. Well, no, 15 seconds in, 45 seconds to go. What am I talking about? Keep it up, guys, keep it up. This workout series is great if you're just starting out, like I said. If you're discovering new exercises you can do. Like today we have 8 different back exercises. So, you know, maybe you'll learn something new. Maybe you go, okay, I can use these in my program if you are programming, or just continue doing these little HIIT style workouts and get your body just used to training. You don't have to push it very hard in the beginning. Just get good technique down and keep going and keep at it. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Yep, heart rate is definitely going. It's about 135 right now. 135 these days is pretty old for me. I'm approaching 53 years old. So I top out at about 100, 162. So 135 right at the top end of zone 3 if you're into that type of thing and calculating your heart rate. All right, we got one more set of jumping, guys. We'll get going in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and let's jump. A little bit of cardio. So these workouts all have a cardio component to them as a warm-up, and they all have the main set, and they concentrate on whatever the workout is, and they all finish with 2 minutes of core. I got some good comments and good reviews on these, so I kept it going for a few workouts. People seem to like, you guys seem to like this format quite a bit. Got 30 seconds left, keep jumping that rope just a little bit. Move those arms, and we'll move on to our back exercises. For these back exercises, I try to do is resistance that's challenging, that I can do for 30 seconds, and try to pick a weight, and even if you fail at 25 seconds, that's perfect. Nothing wrong with that. It's better than just swinging the weight and being able to do another 2 minutes and not challenge yourself at all. So 3, 2, 1, and we are done. All right, we're moving on to our first back exercise, I should say, double roll. Grab your dumbbells. Try to keep good form. Bend over a little bit, lock in that back, brace that core, and just give me a roll. Push those elbows back, all right? So we'll get going in less than 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom, and back. Keep those elbows close to your bodies and just roll back. 1. Squeeze at the top and release slowly. Squeeze and release. Squeeze up, release. All under control. Keep going. Less than 10 seconds left. 2, 1, and we are done with that one. All right, now we're going to a straight arm pull down. For this, I'm going to use a band, and it's going to be this black band right here. I wish I could tie this up somewhere higher, but for purpose of this workout, this is tied up low. You're going to do a straight arm pull down, work on those lats. If you can have this band tied up somewhere up here, somewhere high, much more effective exercise. But for now, for the purpose of this video, giving me a big stretch, 2, 1, and pull. Pull, straight arms. Chest out, and pull back. Pull back. About 10 seconds left, keep going. Back and slow on the way back. Slow negative, always slow negatives. 3, 2, 1, last one, and that's that. All right, now we're moving into rows, individual arms. So grab that weight once again. We're gonna do left arm, we're gonna do right arm. You can start with whatever arm you want with. Same thing, I'm gonna brace. I don't have a bench, I don't have a chair. So I'm gonna brace myself with my opposite hand on my knee, right over my knee on my quad, and then row with the opposite arm, obviously. So I'm gonna start with the right, switch over to the left, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off, we continue, and let's go. 1, and get nice full extension. 2, and pull back. 3, 4. Look about 4 or 5 feet ahead of you, that's where your head should be. Shouldn't be up here, shouldn't be down here, but right here. Keep going. Full extension. Keep it up. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Last one. Okay, let's take 30 seconds. Flip it around and work the other side. Shake it out. This is also nice because also have to brace your core. Even though you're supporting yourself with GAN, you still always brace your core on all of these exercises. Prevent the lower back from being hurt. So brace everything. Get strong at it and you will not get hurt. Not being hurt is key to consistency, guys. All right, switch sides. Brace. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Up, down, all the way up. Full extension on the way down. I want that back stretched. Keep it up. Halfway there. Work those muscles. 3 seconds. 2, 1. Last one, and that's that. All right. From here, we are moving on to the pullover. I'm gonna use 2 dumbbells. And on this, when you're laid down and you're ready to do your exercise, I hope I have enough room. Let me check. I think I do. Make sure you keep those wrists flexed during this exercise. Don't let them fall down like this. I want it to be all back. So flex wrist, back, and up. And I need to move up a little bit. Back, up, control, and up. See how my wrist isn't falling down right now. Flex wrist, weights together, and up. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, let's do one more. And up. All right, now we're going reverse fly. I know it's a back shoulder exercise, but it's all part of your back. We're concentrating on the posterior chain today. So let's get done, and we'll do reverse fly. So same thing, brace the core, bent over, weights here, and pull them back, all right? 30 seconds, guys. Remember, always keep braced. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Up and down, and control. I don't want to see this. This is not an exercise. This is. 15 seconds left. Three, 2, 1, last one, and weights down. All right, what do we got next? Deadlift. For this, I'm gonna use a band, and I'm gonna use the purple band. If you don't have bands, you can do this also with your dumbbells, or you can do it with this. Purple is more than enough for me for 30 seconds. Everybody's heard of deadlift. You work your legs, but you also work your spinal erectors, which are important. Stand on your band, look up and stand up. 1. Lock everything in once again. Keep it up, 15 seconds left. Two, 1, and let go. Alrighty. And here, final exercise is the good morning. You're gonna take the dumbbell, place it on your shoulders. Legs about shoulder width apart. You're gonna bend forward while keeping your knees pretty much locked in. This will work your hamstrings and your glutes, yes, and also your lower back. So I got my 30-pound dumbbell. I am placing it on my shoulders. Right, so like so. And I'm gonna bend forward. Ready? Down, up, down, and stand up. Lock everything in. Just pivot at the hips, everything locked in, everything tight, and up. Down. If it hurts a little bit on your neck, support yourself with the arms a little bit. Just give this dumbbell just a little lift. 3 seconds. 2, 1, last one, and we are done. All right, well that concludes the back portion of the workouts, guys. We have 25 seconds left. We have 2 exercises left. We're moving on to the core. Seated leg raise. Get down on the ground. Get in a good, comfortable position, like I am right here. And we're just gonna get those legs up and down. 30 seconds, all right? Nice and easy. We'll get going in 5, 4, 1 minute. This is a longer interval. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Up, down. Keep it up. Stay with me. Go as high as you can, as high as I can go. Partially because I'm not very flexible, partially because I'm probably not strong enough. That's why we work out, right? 30 seconds left. Keep it up. Ten seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, stay right down here on the floor. We're gonna do some sit-ups. Sit up with a little twist. Left, right, boom. Sit up, left, right, sit up. And that will conclude our workout, guys. So we're almost done. I'm not gonna talk as much during the sit-ups because my chin hits the microphone right below me and then weird sounds do come out and it gets very loud and obnoxious. I'm gonna do my best to shut up. All right, having said that, remember, twist and sit up. Arms here, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Up, twist, twist, and back down. Up, twist, and back down. We're doing this for a minute. Keep it up. 15 seconds left. 5 seconds, let's do one more. 2, 1. That was it, guys, that was the bell. Let me slowly get up. Sometimes the knees agree, sometimes not so much. Anyway, thank you for joining me today for After 50, guys. My name is Paul. Workouts have been coming out for 4.5 years running right now. There's about 460, 470 full workouts on this channel. Check some of them out. If you'd like to come back, do it for yourself, don't do it for me. And I'll see you guys during the next workout.